Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have a very special unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ramon Allones Specially Selected. This is a dress box of 25, and the Specially Selected is slowly becoming my favorite cigar of all time. I've said it before on this channel. If I was someone who tells me you have to smoke one cigar for the rest of your life, what would it be? It will be this right here, the Ramon Allones Specially Selected. This was bought from the House of Gerard in Geneva. They have this nice seal over here, and the House of Gerard in Geneva is a very long old cigar merchant in Switzerland, and they have very quality cigars, and their prices are actually relatively good. As you can see over here, it has the Intertabac stamp, which is the quality control. And this box is from September 2024. Now, if you see over here, it says February 2025. This is when it arrives to Switzerland. So this is when the actual box was stamped and rolled and put it in the box. And this is when it arrived into the shop. They always put an extra stamp over here for them to know when their stock arrived. Let's open this up and have a look. So the Specially Selected is a Robusto. It's 50 ring gauge by 4 7/8 inch in length. This is the paper. Let's take it out, and this is a dress box of 25, as I've mentioned before. They also come in a cabinet of 50, and the cabinets of 50 I find them to be a bit more round. These are box pressed, as you can see. They are square, a bit more on the squarer side. The cabinet of 50s, they come round. This is a full strength cigar, and honestly this is just beautiful. Ramon Allones don't have that many cigars in their lineup. They have the Gigantes, which is the really long ones. They have the number 3s. They have the Specially Selected. They have the Superiors, which is La Casa de Habano edition, and they have the small Club Corona. I've had all of them, besides for the number 3, and I was very impressed with Ramon Allones in general. They don't make that many cigars. They only have a few, like we said, but nonetheless, the quality is always fantastic, and there has never been a Ramon Allones that I have not enjoyed. And this box is going to be sitting in the back of my humidor, because the other box I have is from 2019, and those are so delicious and so good. So what I'll do with this one, I'll put it in the back of the humidor, visit it back in like 4 or 5 years and enjoy it. And until then, I plan to buy a couple more of these, as the price for them is just keeps on going up. I have managed to buy these at £15 per cigar, which is very cheap compared to usually they go for, I know in Gibraltar they sell them for I think £18 a cigar, and in Switzerland a couple of other places, but these there was on offer, so I had to grab myself a box. Looking back now, I should have probably bought 2, but nonetheless I will be buying a few more of these boxes to store away and to have, so that I can smoke them at a later time. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.